Have you ever seen ads claiming that a simple patch can melt away hundreds of pounds, control blood sugar, and even tackle serious conditions like diabetes or sleep apnea, and wondered if it could actually be real? Luxarise Moringa Patch is one of those products. Marketed as an FDA-approved nano-microneedle patch that guarantees rapid weight loss and dramatic health transformations, often with claims tied to buying multiple boxes. But the reality behind these claims is far less clear. After examining the product, it becomes evident that the FDA does not approve weight loss patches, and there is no clinical evidence showing that moringa or berberine can be delivered through the skin to mimic GLP-1 or treat metabolic disorders effectively. The testimonials of people supposedly losing 70 to 130 pounds in weeks are highly unrealistic, medically implausible, and likely fabricated or AI-generated, creating an impression of results that cannot be achieved. The patch itself is a cheaply manufactured item sourced overseas and rebranded as a luxury solution, sold at significantly inflated prices using marketing tactics like fear-based messaging, countdown timers, and exaggerated endorsements. While using Luxarise Moringa Patch is not inherently dangerous, the product does not deliver the miraculous results claimed on its website, and the promotional material overstates its effectiveness to an extreme degree. Buyers are led to believe that dramatic transformations are guaranteed, yet the science behind these claims is either non-existent or misrepresented, making it essential to critically evaluate such wellness products. In the end, the Luxarise Moringa Patch highlights the need for skepticism when a product promises extreme health benefits with zero credible evidence, and it serves as a reminder to prioritize verified research over flashy online marketing before spending money on solutions that sound too good to be true.